Hey guys, it's Kenzie, and today we're going to be doing a baking soda and honey and olive oil face mask that is supposedly for glowing skin. I've been on Pinterest, I don't know if you know, but Pinterest is my favorite app. And I see a lot of face masks on Pinterest that have baking soda in them. You know what I'm saying? Like baking soda with some, baking soda with this, baking soda with that. And I have been very skeptical of that whole baking soda phenomenon. Also, more background information. What's background information? I don't know. Last time I used baking soda and anything else, I think it was baking soda and lemons. It did not do my skin justice. I think that was maybe because I was like, scrubbing it on my skin, and it's already baking soda, and then you throw some lemon in there, and that just, I don't really know why I did that. I don't really remember where I saw it from. Maybe because it can be a face scrub. I don't know. Anyways, let's get into the video. So while making this video, while I was actually making it, I was using olive oil, and that paste, that did not look right whatsoever. So I just wanted to tell you I changed it to water. So let's proceed. So I just rinsed my face off. Like I just took, like a towel and, wiped my face, cause yeah. So I'm gonna wait for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. I mean, I guess what I could say right now is my nose is kind of itchy, but I think that's just cause it's my nose. Alright. Look at my nose. I've had it on for about 10 minutes and my face has started to tingle, so I think that's like, an indication that I need to take it off. So let's do that. Now, I just washed that off, but it's kind of like a scrub too, since it is baking soda. So like I had to like, kind of scrub it off. So it kind of took like, a minute or 2 or 3. I think that my skin does look more matted and not as oily. I mean, I didn't have like, the only issue I'm really having with like anything right now is here. If you can see that, it's ugly, but that's kind of the only problem I'm having. But everything else looks nice, kind of the same. I mean, I guess this is something that I could do like once a week to get that extra glow, because my skin's pretty much clear besides this little area right here, and I don't want to keep touching it, obviously, because it already looks crazy. So yeah, I would recommend this because there is honey in it. So it's not just like straight up baking soda and water. Now, would I recommend baking soda and just water? I don't think so. But honey is good for the skin, which also causes a glow. I would do this again. Like, it's not something I would like never do again. Like the lemon and baking soda one, I will never do that again. Unless, there was honey in it or something that is moisturizing to the face and not just gonna completely dry out my skin. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.